1. The first number. I have 1 apple. 2. The number following 1. She has 2 cats. 6. The number following 5. There are 6 books on the shelf. 10. The number following 9. We have 10 fingers. 4. The number following 3. 4 people are in the room. 5. The number following 4. He bought 5 apples. 9. The number following 8. The movie starts at 9 o'clock. 3. The number following 2. They have 3 children. 7. The number following 6. She works 7 days a week. 8. The number following 7. There are 8 chairs around the table.
40. The number following 39. He is 40 years old. 50. The number following 49. The book costs $50. 60. The number following 59. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Dollar. The basic monetary unit in the U.S. I need $1 for the vending machine. 20. The number following 19. She received 20 emails today. 30. The number following 29. He will turn 30 next month. 80. The number following 79. The book has 80 pages. 90. The number following 89. There are 90 students in the auditorium. 11. The number following 10. The store opens at 11 o'clock. 12. The number following 11. She bought 12 apples. 70. The number following 69. Her grandmother is 70 years old. 15. The number following 14. There are 15 candies in the jar. 16. The number following 15. He got his driver's license at 16. 13. The number following 12. The meeting is in room 13. 14. The number following 13. She has 14 days of vacation left. 18. The number following 17. He will be 18 next year. 19. The number following 18. The concert starts at 1900 hours. 17. The number following 16. She is 17 years old. 21. The number following 20. I have $21. 100. The number following 99. The prize is $100.